Hey everyone, welcome back to my new series of Basic to Advanced Java Programming. In this, we are going to see two programs, largest of two numbers and largest of three numbers. We are going to see it using different concepts. First, let's create a class of largest of two numbers. We are going to write everything in the main method because Java executes everything from, JRM executes everything from the main method. Here we are creating an object class of scanner and we are giving an input called system.in because we want input from the users. sc is our object class of scanner and we are going to import java.util.scanner package. Now let's take a variable a of int data type and we are going to put sc.nextInt. That means I want user to enter an integer. Similarly, for int b is equal to sc.nextInt. And these are the two numbers. Just so that the user get to know that we have to enter the first number and the second number, we can put some print statements. The first type we are going to see by using a ternary operator. We are going to print by using system.out.println. We are going to check the condition is if a is greater than b question mark. Then it will print what we will write in the quotes, that is a is largest, and then we use a symbol called colon. So whenever this boolean is false, it will print the thing which is beyond colon, that is b is largest. So let's run this. Let me include the print statements first, saying enter the first number and enter the second number. Yes. Now let's run. Now it says, the console says enter a number. I'm going to enter one number. And then it says enter another number. Let's do it. And we got the result. B is largest. Okay, this was using the ternary operator. It checks the condition. If the condition is, or the boolean is true or 1, it will print what is just next to it. Otherwise, it will print beyond the colon 1. Next, we can use a simple if else. So if a is greater than b, let's print a is largest, else b is largest. This is the most simplest if else program, I would say. Else b is largest. That's it. Let's run this program. Enter a number. I'm going to enter 668. Another number. Yes, 976 is largest. So B is largest. It just checked the condition 668 greater than 976. No. So it is going to print the else one. Now let's create another class of largest of three numbers and let's see how we can work on this. I am going to take a main method. Again, I want input from the users, so I'm going to use the scanner class and import java.util.scanner and let's begin. So this is going to have, we are going to use the nested if-else condition. So let's start. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Here I've created an object of scanner class. And I've given an input called system.in because I want users to give inputs. Now systematically, let's print some statements. Enter first number. So as soon as you get this on the console, user will enter the first number. So it would be like int a is equal to sc.next int. In this way, the user would be able to enter the first number. Similarly, let's do it for the second number and third number. So first let's do a println of enter second number, and let's do int b is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, semicolon, we should never miss that. It just says that the statement is completed. And let's then do a system.out.println enter third number, int c is equal to sc dot next int. Because I want to enter integer, I'm using int. So in this way the users have entered. Let's use nested if else. If a is greater than b and an ampersand, I'm using a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, obviously we are going to print a statement saying a is largest. Else if, now let's consider b is greater than a and b is greater than c. If b is greater than both a and c, yes, the system.out.println would be b is largest. Else, the last option would be c being greater than b and a. So we're just going to write else and print c is largest. That's it. So this was our program. Let's run this. Okay, enter first number 10, 20, 30. C is largest. Do it another time. We got it. It just compares using the logics and then we get the answer. Now let's try it in a different way. So here I'm going to do some assumptions. In this, first we are going to assign, so let's take an integer max. So int max is equal to, and I'm going to assign the value of a. Okay, now we have considered that a is being maximum. Now let's put a condition. If b is greater than if b is greater than max, then max is equal to b. Okay, let me explain you this. Let me first write, if c is greater than max, max is equal to c. So let's understand that. First we have put the value of a to max. Okay, now let's say b is greater than max, then obviously a is not max, so max is equal to b. Similarly, c greater than max, then obviously b or a is not max, so max is equal to c. So we'll do a system.out.println saying largest number is, and I'll concat that with max. Let's run this program. It says enter first number 10, second number again like I'll do 20, and third number 30. Short. It says largest number is 30. Let's run it one more time. 898, 64, 1000. Let's do it, keep it 100 and just see. Largest number is 898. So these were the two methods that we saw. First was nested if else, and second was we used if else in a different fashion. So if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.